Welcome to the Ultimate Laptop CPU Breakdown, focusing on Intel's 2026 lineup. We will help you decode the options and choose the right U, P, or H series chip for your specific needs, whether you are a student, engineer, or professional. Our first step to a smarter purchase is decoding the CPU's name, specifically the suffix. The letter at the end of the CPU model is key to understanding its intended use and performance profile. The U series is defined by ultra-low power consumption, maximizing thermal efficiency and battery life for thin designs. The P series offers performance-thin balance, providing desktop-like bursts in a portable frame. The H series delivers maximum power for demanding tasks like workstations and creator PCs. The U series is the gold standard for silent efficiency, ideal for students and households. Operating at 15W, these chips offer up to 22 hours of battery life and are perfect for web and streaming in extremely thin laptops. The P series, the workhorse chip, provides professional balance. Targeted at teachers and young engineers, it handles complex AI software and balances multi-core performance for coding and heavy multitasking in a light form factor. The H series is pure, no-compromise power. Built for industrial applications and AI learners, the 45W plus H series provides high core counts, up to 24 cores, and superior integrated graphics for tasks like 4K rendering and CAD software. Advanced thermal management is required. The 2026 AI standard mandates neural processing for all. Every 2026 Intel Core Ultra CPU features a dedicated NPU, offloading AI tasks and saving battery. This enables real-time translations and advanced personal assistance with a total of 65 NPU TOPS. This spec comparison matrix highlights the key differences. U series prioritizes 20+ hours of battery life for home and school. P series offers a balanced 12 to 15 hours for development and design. H series maximizes performance with 16 to 24 cores for heavy industry and AI. Relative performance benchmarks reflect aggregate 2026 performance. While U series productivity is at 65%, P series multitasking reaches 85%, and H series raw power achieves 100% across compute-intensive tasks. To summarize, the U series is for the student, prioritizing portability. The P series is for the professional, focusing on coding and project management. The H series is for the industrialist, requiring power for plant control and AI training. Looking at the 2026 roadmap, we anticipate the Arrow Lake refresh in Q1. Q2 brings the Panther Lake architecture reveal. Mainstream U and P series availability is slated for Q3, followed by Enterprise H series and mobile AI workstations in Q4.